I'm going to make everybody $100,000 right now. I want you to call yourself and listen to your voicemail. Chances are it's one of two things. It's the you've reached 555-5555 robot voicemail. Get that out. Okay. And then some other like unprofessional message. I'm going to give you your voicemail right now. You can listen to it if you need to hear it again by calling mine, 720-660-3202. Okay. Here's what everybody needs to make their voicemail. You've reached Matt. Your call is very important to me. Please leave a message or send a text on how I can best respond. And that's exactly what I'll do. No happy Monday, no God bless at the end. And I'm not trying to be unreligious, but people are all calling you for different reasons with different things. Get down to business, be professional, communicate to them that they've called the right person. The best way for you to do that is you've reached Matt. Your call is very important to me. Please leave a message or send a text on how I can best respond. And that's exactly what I'll do. Change your voicemail to that right now. You don't have to pay the $500 to get EastonUniversity.com. You don't have to be on my lives twice a week. You will make an extra $100,000. I 100% guarantee it, because right now there are opportunities both in your personal and professional life that are not leaving a message because you've reached 555-5555 and they're like, I don't even know who this is. Or worse, hey, you know what to do at the beep. Some of you have the same voicemail from college and you haven't checked in on it. Hey, I'm going to be out of the office. It's Monday, December 1st, 2014. I'm going to be out of the office. Like,
right.
You don't need any of that. Skillful, right? This is all we do at EastonUniversity.com is help people be more skillful.